How to make desktop icons smaller in Windows 10. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Right click on your display and then you'll find display settings option. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll all the way down till you find scale and layout. In scale and layout, you'll find change the size of text, apps and other. As you can see, it's in 150%. I'll simply click on 100% and all the text are in small icon. Also, all the apps icons are small. After that, right click on your display, then refresh your device and you're good to go. That's how to make desktop icons smaller in Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.